Hi, I'm Albert from SMA Australia. Today we'll be showing you how to commission your SMA Home Energy Solution. All you'll need to get started is the latest version of the SMA 360 app and to scan the QR code on the front of the inverter. Open the SMA 360 app, select Setup, Commissioning, Start, then Enable Scanner. Scan the inverter QR code on the lid and then join inverter Wi-Fi. Now connected, we select either Ethernet or Wi-Fi local internet. And next, we create our administrator account. That's username, then password, paying attention to the password requirement. Select Next. Here we have device function, in this case, inverter as system manager. Select Next. Now the inverter will search for other SMA devices on the same network. In this case, it's found the energy meter. Repeat this step if necessary. Now under Updates, select Automatic Synchronization and Updates to ensure everything keeps up to date. Select Next. In our Commissioning Assistant Step 2, we configure the system. So start here by selecting the appropriate grid region. System Manager will apply these settings to subordinate devices. So we select our grid connection rule. We select our grid type. We assign our phase. And that will complete our grid connection. Next, the energy meter is pre-configured. We have options for grid management, fallback, reactive power, and rapid shutdown. The battery is auto-detected, and energy management by default is set to maximum self-consumption. In backup operation, here we select automatic secure power supply, and then we set our reserve percentage and apply. Next brings us to step 3, Sunny Portal registration. So first we will name the system. In this case, we'll name it My SMA Sunny Boy Smart Energy. Next, we need to double check the address is correct and edit if required. And ensure allow access for SMA service. Now we invite system operator. The homeowner will need to follow an email instruction, so please ensure this email address is correct. Invite system operator. And next we determine the AC and the DC size. So now the commissioning is completed. You can again join to the inverter Wi-Fi. If you'd like to go into the dashboard, you can reconnect. Otherwise, you're done. In this case, we'll return back to our main menu. And there we have it. Your SMA Home Energy Solution is all commissioned. Thanks for watching. See you next time.